With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Students, the question is which of the following functions is a surjection, and we are given 4 options right now. So one by one we are going to check them. Now what is surjection? When a function is called surjection, that means its image is equal to its codomain. Okay, so if I talk about the first option, in the first option we are given that f of x is equal to x cube plus 2. Okay, and the function f such that r tends to r, this thing we are given where x belongs to real. Okay, so I can take this function equal to y. So from here we can get that x cube will be equal to y minus 2, or we can say that the value for x will be what? It will be y minus 2 to the power 1 by 3. Okay, where this y is what? Y is belonging to real number. Okay, and the value for x will be anything, it will be positive or negative, but it will not be imaginary as the power here is 1 by 3. Okay, so as this is its power is 1 by 3, then x will not be imaginary and y belongs to r. That means if r tends to r, this is true. Okay, so we can say that the first is surjection. Okay, so we can say that f of x, that is equal to x cube plus 2, this is a surjection. Now if I talk about the second function, here in the second function, so in the second function, that is second option, see option number 1 is correct. Okay, now in option number 2 we are given that g of x is equal to x square plus 2 for all x that belongs to r, and this g function where r tends to r, this thing we are given. Okay, so again here we will take this equal to y. So from here we can say that x square will be equal to y minus 2. This implies the value for x will be what? It will be y minus 2 to the power 1 by 2. Okay, now if we have a case that if y is less than 2, then what will be x? X will be imaginary in that case. Okay, so x will be imaginary. That means it will be complex. That means we can say that x will not belong to r. Okay, see, if I put y equal to 1, then this will be minus 1, and we know that under root anything is minus, then it is imaginary or complex only. So therefore g r tends to r, this is false. So we can say that the second option is not correct. Now if I talk about the third option we are given that h of x, we are having that h of x is equal to 3x plus 2, where this h is such that it is from integer to integer. Okay, z tending towards z and x belongs to z. Okay, so again if I put this equal to y, so from here we can say that 3x will be equal to y minus 2. So this implies x will be equal to what? It will be y minus 2 divided by 3. Okay, now we are given that h such that it is z tending towards z. Okay, that means both are integer. But if we have a case that if y minus 2 is not a multiple of 3, then this x will not be an integer. Okay, see, if I talk like this, that if I'm taking y equal to 0, then what we will have, x will be what? It will be minus 2 by 3. And is that an integer? No. So we can say that in that case, x will not belong to the given set of integers, right? But in the option, this is given that z tending towards z. So that means this is not a surjection. So option number 3 is not correct also. Now if I talk about option number 4, we are given that option number 4 we are having phi of x equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. Okay, where this x belongs to capital R. Now if I take this thing equal to y, so again we can write it like this, that x square minus 3x plus 2 minus y equal to 0. This thing is a constant. So this is of this form, which is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And we know that in the quadratic equation, the quadratic formula is x equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So using that formula here, we will get that x will be equal to 3 plus minus under root of 9 minus 4 into 2 minus y divided by 2. Okay, or if we write it in simplified form, so x will be 3 plus minus under root of 1 plus 4y divided by 2. Okay, now we are given that the y is belonging to R, but this is the discriminant here, and we know that if discriminant d is less than 0, here it is 1 plus 4y. If this thing is less than 0, then the value for x will be what? Then x will be imaginary. Okay, if discriminant is less than 0, then x will be imaginary, but it is given that x is real. But given that x belongs to real, but looking at this, we can see that it is not. Okay, so we can say that x does not belong to R. So therefore option number 4 is also wrong, and we have seen that option number 3 was also wrong, and option number 2 also came as wrong. Only option number 1 came as correct option. Okay, so this is the required answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.